breaking, entering, and burglary. So there was a few items stolen, um, two TVs, an Xbox, and then a guitar. So I'm going to show you the case that was left over from the guitar. So as you can see here, the top was ripped off. You can tell that. And the guitar So the first thing I'm going to do is take pictures of everything, of where everything should have been, and like if anything was moved, of course, and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and take my pictures first before I start collecting any of the evidence. Alright, so now that I have taken all of my pictures, I'm going to start collecting evidence. So one of the first things that I noticed was that there's actually a visible fingerprint on the guitar case. So not sure if you're able to see, but on this last right here, there's actually a visible print, which will be really helpful, hopefully, in finding the suspect. So the next thing that I'm going to do is use my powder and brush to collect my fingerprints. I'm gonna collect for the door that was broken into here, and then the guitar case, as well as the items over there, the cords that were moved around where the TV was taken, and the Xbox as well. So I'm gonna fingerprint for all of those areas first. All right. So another thing too that I forgot to mention earlier was that I did take pictures outside as well. So at this scene, there's a door that goes outside of the basement. It leads right outside to the backyard, and there was some fresh shoe prints or footprints in the snow that led through the back door there. I'm also going to get prints on that back door as well as this door that was broken into, because that door was as well. And there was also some tire marks left outside in front of the house. It looks as though they either braked really hard or they drove off really quickly because there are tire marks left. So I did take pictures of those as well, and I'm going to measure them and make sure that I get all of that evidence collected out there. I did not see anything left behind as far as pieces of the car or anything like that. It was just the tire marks as well as the prints that were left in the snow. When they came into the house, I did not see any prints on the ground that are in the tile down in here in the basement. But that is something that I'm going to check again. And so now that I have all of my fingerprints, I'm also going to take the guitar case itself in the whole thing just to make sure that there's not any fibers or anything like that left behind as far as like clothing pieces or other sort of piece of hair, DNA evidence like that. Um, so otherwise, I have collected all my evidence for this crime scene. Thank you.